Hello friend, welcome back. So in today's video we will learn how to hold our flute correctly. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more video like this. So let's get started. So first let me tell you the parts of our flute. This is my double G flute, and simply this is the blowing hole or mouth hole, and this is the body of our flute, and you can see 6 holes in our flute body. So if you are a right hand person, just take your flute and turn the flute body to your right side like this, and blowing hole under your lip, and take your left hand palm towards your body and take it to the first these 3 holes, right under the mouth hole. First 3 holes we use our index, middle and ring fingers to cover these holes. Like in both hands we use our index, middle and ring fingers, okay, like this. So first take your left hand and cover these 3 holes from your fingers like this, and your thumb under your index finger, okay, like this thumb under your index finger, and your right hand take it to these holes, and thumb is always under your index finger, right, like this. This is the way how you hold your flute if you are a right hand person. So if you are a left hand person, just simply turn the flute body to your left hand side like this, and place like this, and take your right hand and turn the palm of your right hand toward your body, and just simply cover these holes from your fingers that I mentioned before, and left hand like this, cover these holes like this. Okay, this is the way how you hold your flute if you are a left hand person. So I'm a right hand person, and this is the way I hold my flute like this. Simply I place the mouth hole under my underlip like this, and I cover these holes like this, and like that. You can play your flute like that. So this part is so hard for beginners, but if you learn in correct way, you will able to play flute like me. So let's meet in another video. I will give you another tutorial video about how to close these holes of flute. So let's meet in another video. Until that, bye bye.